I'm Wen Yan. I'm an international student from China. I've been in Canada since 2013. 2013, yeah, I think so. And I'm a college student now doing multi-power technician, and it's my last semester. When I was little, I was super into music, but it was super expensive to have a professional teacher teaching one-on-one. When I grew up, I got super into cars because my dad is engineering. My first car is a Volkswagen GTI. It's a 2015. It's my dream car when I was little. I just want to know more about car, how it works, how to work it better. So I was at a car dealership, and one of my friends said he studied here, multi-power technician, and it was an awesome program if you want to work on cars. Like there are a lot of hand-on activities, like hand-on tools, labs with a professional instructor. And I said, oh, I'd love to try that. Because we are a small program, unlike the university, we have like 30 people in our program, so we could have a lot of opportunities to talk to the professor face-to-face, one-on-one, and they've been helpful a lot. I'm happy to be a part of the car community in Garden College, and I just can't wait for graduate to actually go further to see what's going on from there.